If you're a homeowner in Clinton Township dealing with cracked panes, drafty frames, or stuck sashes, finding the right window repair service is crucial. Not all contractors are created equal, and selecting the wrong one can lead to wasted time, money, and frustration. Here's a comprehensive, customer-focused guide to help you choose the best window repair service in Clinton Township with confidence. Start with local reputation. One of the biggest advantages of hiring a local window repair company is their proximity and reputation in your community. Ask neighbors, friends, or co-workers in Clinton Township who they've worked with. Local reviews on Google, Facebook, and Yelp can also give valuable insight into a company's track record. Look for businesses with consistently high ratings, 4.5 stars and above. Positive reviews that mention quality, punctuality, and communication. A local office or established presence in Clinton Township. Verify licensing and insurance. Never hire a contractor who isn't licensed and insured. In Michigan, home repair professionals must have a residential maintenance and alteration contractor license. This ensures they meet state standards and are legally permitted to do the work. Insurance is equally critical. The contractor should carry both liability insurance and workers' compensation. This protects you in case of accidents, property damage, or injury on your premises. Ask for license number and credentials, proof of insurance with current coverage dates. Ask about their specialization. Window repair can range from fixing broken glass and recaulking to replacing rotted frames and resealing double-pane windows. Make sure the company you choose specializes in the specific repairs you need. Some companies focus more on window installation rather than repair. Others may only handle residential jobs, not commercial properties. Be clear about your needs and ask them to explain their repair process, the types of windows they service, e.g., double hung, casement, vinyl, wood, whether they work with your brand or type of window. Evaluate communication and customer service. From your first phone call or online inquiry, take note of how the company communicates. Are they professional, prompt, and friendly? Do they answer your questions clearly? A company that values customer service will also likely prioritize quality work and satisfaction. Look for signs like fast response times, within 24 hours, clear written estimates, a willingness to explain materials, labor, and warranties, compare transparent estimates. Don't settle for the first quote you receive. Get at least 3 written estimates from different companies in Clinton Township. These should be itemized and easy to understand, with details on materials, labor, timeline, and total costs. Beware of quotes that are too low, may signal poor quality work or hidden fees. Vague pricing without a clear breakdown. Pressure tactics or pushy sales behavior. Ask about warranty and satisfaction guarantees. A reputable window repair service should back their work with a warranty. This shows they stand behind the quality of their repairs and materials. At a minimum, you should expect a labor warranty, typically 1 to 2 years, product warranties on any parts replaced, a clear policy for handling issues if something goes wrong after the job, check before and after portfolios. Before committing, ask to see examples of previous repairs. Many companies have online galleries or portfolios they can share. This gives you a visual sense of their craftsmanship and attention to detail. Bonus tip. Some companies offer virtual consultations or detailed project outlines, great for homeowners who want to understand every step of the repair. Choose confidence, not compromise. Clinton Township homeowners deserve quality, value, and trust when it comes to window repair. By following these tips, checking reputation, verifying credentials, asking the right questions, and comparing estimates, you'll not only protect your home but also invest wisely in its comfort and energy efficiency. Don't let damaged windows linger. The right repair service can restore your peace of mind and your view